Yo, what up, Jefferson? I liked your video. The setting and background music really helped the movie flow. Your rhymes were tight and told the truth, but only to a limited extent. So in your spirit of rhyming, I'd like to share where I dissent. You reference some specific sins, like watching pornography. Assuming it's a universal sin, that's clear for all to see. And just like that, it seems you've done what religion aims to do, to set aside some Christian rules to add to the spiritual stew. The problem in my mind's eye is you're being too ambiguous about loving Jesus and hating religion. Man, I'm a little curious about just what you mean, what you see, and how you aim to get it done. I'm all for following Jesus, but your point has been undone. When you talk about loving Jesus, you assume there's some agreement among you and other Christians, so you preach it like you mean it. But that agreement in itself must lead to religion. It starts off pure, but in the end, it must sacrifice your vision. I'm with you, fuck religion, but your point needs some refining. Your video is inspiring, but it will keep people whining. Because in the end, emotionally charged videos are not enough to keep people from buying into religious fluff. So let's bring some hope, change the world, etc. till we're dead. But you'll want to add some substance, go beyond your daily bread. Condemning self-righteousness is one step in a series that leads back to purified religion, one of many theories. You're being bold, but have forgot that the church is Jesus' bride. It messes up and fails a lot, but he still stands at its side. Faith is not an islander's task, doesn't flourish in isolation. And because we are all fallen, it's going to take some conversation. That conversation will lead us to uniting in order to learn, teach, and preach. Then, ironically enough, religion again is reached. I'm going to end my spotty rap by making an observation. Had you clarified your terms, you'd have offended less the more doctrinal Christian nation. You've thrown the baby out with the bathwater, as my mother said to me. But merely hating on religion will not set you and Jesus